Look at a completed brooch. The upper ear, which is the right ear, is fixed on the top of the entire puppy's head. The left ear on the surface is fixed below the head. One is below, one is above. Let's take a look. A drawing of our puppy. For the drawings, let's take a look. It's overall solid line, which we need to cut out. The dotted line represents our 2 ears. The right ear is on the solid line. When cutting the shape, we can take a photo with our phone first because the position of our ears will be invisible after being cut off. So we can take a photo first. So we can take a photo for reference later. Next, we take the scissors to cut off the solid line parts. This is our head. Next, we take out the foam platform. There are 3 rubbing needles next to the foam table. There is anti-rust oil on the rubbing needle. Using a tissue, wipe off the anti-rust oil on the rubbing needle, then poke it. Let's take out our puppy. At the head position, take the white wool and spread it on it little by little. Pay attention to the puppies. The position of its head. The bottom is thicker and the top is thinner, so the forehead is thin and the cheeks are thick. When we lay the wool, we can lay the wool at the bottom. Could be laid a little thicker, a little more. After laying, next, we'll take a poke needle to poke the wool into a flat and tight shape. If the thickness is not enough, we can add more later. The bottom is a fabric. Then we'll fold the excess wool. Fold it inward. Fold the edge and fix it. Tighten it along the edge of the cloth. It's all fixed inside. Next, let's feel it. Its thickness. The top of the head should be thin and thicker below. Now the bottom is not thick enough. Cover it. After covering it, continue to rub it tightly. The position below the head thicker. When clipping, you can also clip it a little bit at a time. Don't clip too much at once, if not enough. It's troublesome to take it off if you add too much. The method of rubbing wool is relatively simple. Just insert and pull out vertically and pull out diagonally. Feel the thickness. If the thickness is enough, we don't need to add more wool. Knead the fixed wool tightly and smoothly. Rub the sides firmly and smoothly. Rub the surface and the sides. Smooth and trim as you go. We need to shape the hole. This part, we need to make it concave a little bit. After fixing the shape of the head, we took the black wool. Roll out 2 ears. The 2 ears should be the same size. One is fixed on top, one fixed below. Take out the black wool. First, take a small amount of black wool and a proper amount of black wool. Fix the shape on the foam table. Then fold in the left and right sides, folding in the bottom. Poke out the shape of an ear. The shape of the ear. We can have a rough look. The pictures we took. Length. We can roughly compare and its length. And the approximate shape. It's still relatively loose now. We need to rub it a little tighter. Let's compare. If it's too short, we can add some wool to it or slightly stretch it. To fix 2 ears. After fixing the 2 ears, let's take a look. Put 1 ear below, 1 on top. When installing, we can directly fix it with glue. Take the glue stick and then, at a position a little bit next to our ears, apply some glue. Then fix it on the bottom of our puppy. The other one is the same. Fix it at the position of glue. Pay attention to the side. Don't fix it in the middle. Then we stick it on the top. On the top of the head, Press it with your hand. For the remaining areas next to it, we can go. Where the glue hasn't been applied, we can go. Poke it a little tighter to reinforce it. In this way, our ears will be fixed. Next, we take out the black wool to fix the eyes and nose. The eyes and nose are relatively close together, and the nose is larger than the eyes. Take a little black wool. Fix the position of the nose first. If the nose is too small, we can poke a little more black to fix it. Then on both sides of the nose, poke to smaller eyes on both sides. The positions of the two eyes should be the same. The positions should be symmetrical and the same size. Then we took out two pieces of peach pink. To make blushes. The position of the blusher should be symmetrical and the same size. In this way, our puppy Brooch is finished. Next, let's look at the accessory installation. First, take out our accessory Brooch buckle. Then glue sticks. Glue stick. We need to heat them up as well. Take out the needle part. Apply a little glue and fix it to the bottom of the brooch. A little higher up. Don't fix it to low. Then we wait for it to dry. While it's drying, we took out the white wool. Rub it tightly on the foam table and cover it on the tip of the needle. Make sure to rub it tightly. Then we covered it on the tip of the needle. We can pull off some of the excess. We can pull off some. Then rub the white wool on top. Rub it flat and tightly. When covering here, poke here. When covering the wool, the needle should be inserted shallower. If the needle is inserted too deeply, it's easy to bring the wool to the bottom surface. In this way, we have already the white wool that has been covered. And it's been rubbed flat and tight. Next, we took out our brooch buckle. The brooch buckle has two pieces. With two small leaves on each side. We need to pinch it with both hands and then button it up. In this way, dog brooch is completed.